Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, kindly guys, yeah, welcome again. Stay tuned. Yeah, today is on Tuesday. I could like to start my vlog from this point here. Yeah, you know, we have a funeral, guys. Our friend have passed on. Yeah, our friend, he called the J Mom Sani. Yes, he has passed on. I'm here with my friends called what's your name? Let's pass this way.
I'm John Macau.
Yes.
We are here to say
yeah,
subscribe and like.
Yes,
Jamaican
yes,
Boy.
Jamaican Boy Africa, guys. Yeah. So guys, here as you can see, we are moving. I have some gekonde here.
Small guy.
Gekonde here called the Machugu. What's your name?
My name is Bomax.
Bomax. Where is Bomax?
Bomax.
From when?
From Tiange.
From when you Bomax? Lini uliitwa unaitwa Bomax nani?
Bomax Rioba.
Bomax Rioba. Yeah, his home, guys, is around here. Just around here. The one who has passed is his uncle. Yeah, I'm here with 69.
Yo, po, Samapi and Bombo Clat.
Yeah,
Tingwan. My name was D9.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, thank you.
So you have not told, you know, guys, we are going to hospital. We are going to mortuary to see our friend there who got an accident and passed on. He died. He's our friend, all of us. He's our friend, and we are not just us only. We are too many. I'm going to show you others. We are too many. So as you can see here, we have started our journey to Mabera Akdiva. It's called the Saint Mindira. Saint Akdiva. Yeah, Mindira. Mindira, guys, you are going in Mindira Hospital. Uncle?
Yes.
That. Tuko poa uncle.
Mambo.
Yeah, this is our uncle here. We have stand here to greet him. Uncle yako uko gamba?
Mbuyande.
Sina
maneno in fact.
Acha tunatoka hapo kwa matanga. Puko rafiki yetu. Sasa tunaenda hivi hosi.
Lakini poleni sana pia.
Asante. So guys, yeah, we are on the way. On the way going. I think I'm going to show you the home of our friend, but right now here we are moving from there. We were there. Yeah, we were there. We are moving from there, going to hospital. We are going to hospital, guys, to see our friend. In fact, we're really sad. All of us, we are very many a friend of him. We are many friend of him. Yeah, that's why, guys, I'm telling you so. Yeah, sasa tukifika huko anafanyia upasuaji, tunaona woza shiti. Tunafika huko atafanyia upasuaji tukiona. Yeah guys, so let's move. You know, we are here standing, guys. Yeah, let's greet our friend here. We are going. Alright, others. Tunaenda? Alright. So others is here. Wewe unakaa wapi? Shuka mtu mwingine akae. Acha tusikie vile tunaenda John. Unajua? Vayo ni nitakaa si nitajifinya kwa yenu ama because tuko wengi. Nitajifinya kwa yenu. Takawa ile. Anakuja. Gari hiyo ni ngumu. Wacha tuende. Guys, you know I'm vlogging. I'm here with the make guys. Hey, amazing.
So good.
Yeah, you look good. In fact, you look cute. Hey.
Guys, I'm not here to tell you how good we look, but today we are honestly sad because we lost one of our brother.
Yes.
Not a brother, but also a content creator, and I think you guys know him. Yeah. A lot of you guys know him. You've watching their vlogs. He has been appearing a lot of times.
Yeah.
So
then to my vlog.
even yours.
Yeah.
We were with
Latest
him just the other day, making stories, having fun. But anyways, death is so cruel. He was coming from Migori, and wameleta basi mpya.
Ati hiyo ndio zinakwanga mob.
Hiyo ni wagonga. I see you guys.
Mnaendelea kurekodi.
So guys, as I was saying, he was coming from Migori
He
was coming from Migori
back
to our village,
yes.
And they ended up getting an accident, and there were 2 of them, but for him he accidentally lost his life on the spot. And and his family, he only has a mother, he doesn't have a dad or something, and their family, I feel like their family is so small. Like they don't have like a lot of people, and at some point we are also related, me and him, right? And
him,
and James Roby.
Right.
So even if you go to the YouTube channel and search James Roby, you are going to see him.
Peace, you guy.
So I was
ama wewe ndo unabaki ti wewe ungekaa mutakaa waine. Alright, so we are just arranging, guys, the motorbike because we are heading where?
We are going
the
to the morgue.
Alright.
We are going to the morgue because we've been told that he bled inside his stomach. So it's like, I don't know, so we are going to take care of that because we are his friends. He doesn't have other people. We are the one to take care of everything. So I was suggesting, guys, if you can by any chance support him in any way or another, we will really appreciate, because we need food for people to eat, money to transport him from the mortuary, to get at least transport for the family members, to take them there, So so we really appreciate the love and support. So please, if you can support us by any chance, we really appreciate. So thank you for the love, thank you for the support. My good name is Mick. For those who are watching me for the very first time, you can check me out on YouTube at Vlog with Mick or Mick, and I really appreciate. Thank you so much for always supporting our brother. Najonga kupanua mdomo ifike kwa yangu. Thank you so much for always supporting our brother here, Jamaican Boy Africa.
Jamaican
Boy. Why
did
you decide to choose that name? Anyway, that story
your
for another
sister
vlog.
Yes.
That's a story for another vlog. Today we focus on what you're going to. So let's head to the morgue, guys. We're going to see you guys there because me and him, some of us have already gone. Kina Benito, Bruno Gasuku. Sir, I can't even imagine we are arranging a burial for one of us, a YouTuber.
Guy. We are doing this because they really take us like their brothers.
Sure. I think he was even staying at your place.
Yeah, at my place around 5 years.
I know. So guys, enjoy the video, watch it to the end, and we really appreciate it. He's going to give you guys the number. By any chance you want to contribute something, you will send it through his number, and he's going to update me. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. I'll see you guys when we get to the morgue.
Alright, guys, now here we are on the way to the morgue. I think Mick, she's called the I think morgue. Me, I know it's morgue, guys. I'm here with our friend Helen is here. Adas is here, guys. Helen, he do fear the camera. Helen, she
wants to start a YouTube channel.
She wants to start, and she really fear the camera. She's here. Aya, wewe ndio ulitumwa na sisi sasa na kadera amefika, tunafanya sasa. Unajua mimi kulipa bike nyingine ndio sitaweza ukweli. Hii kadera itabidi atubebe wote. Si mimi sasa tutakaa hii wote tu. Because ti ungekaa kwa ile pikipiki. Sasa yule anaenda wapi?
Nikataa, anasema acha tu nibaki.
Easy. Acha mimi ni drop ya kwa shop huko mbele.
Kwa shop.
Tunafika Masaba.
Tunafika Masaba.
Tutaki kwenda? Naweza so means za kwenda na kurudi.
Unajua nilikuwa nishapeana huko pesa. Tena nikitoa nyingine hawatakuja waelewe. Ama mnaona aje? Wataelewa. So, oya, unaweza tubeba na ngapi mpaka Kidiva Mabera? 200, twende turudi. Yes. 200. Kweli nimetoa do hadi. Na unajua ni yenye wamechanga hivi. Sharabe. So si unaona bayo is very expensive. He's saying that 200 itamake. So it means
here we go because they are waiting for you.
Let me panda here.
Na ule sasa kijana na bahati.
Ti wewe sasa uko juu. Hai.
Tunarudi basi.
Oh. Yeah man. As you can see, we are arrived. Yeah, this Mindira mortuary. Guys. So guys, you see the hospital is just around here. Yes, it's just around here. Yeah, we are going there, but they have said no recording inside the mortuary. That's why you are seeing that I'm outside here just vlogging. Our friend is just lying inside here and the others are outside here, all of them, you know. Yeah, he was our friend. So we are mourning here, guys. We are mourning. This T9, my brother. Yeah, and there is the others. Wewe opeo mimi bado murabona kweli guys. Tiga opeo. So guys here. This is opeo. Yeah, our MCA driver. Yeah, he has joined us. We are here, many of us. Aizo is here, Benito is here.
What's up guys?
Yes.
Welcome to Jamaican Boy
Africa. Yes.
Yeah, we are here. As you can see, man, you can read from there.
Yes, guys. Yes.
We are here to send Giver. We are trying to like make things easier for our friends.
Yeah,
so we are available each time and then.
Yes.
Keep watching till then.
Yeah.
Go check me out. I'm a content creator too at Gasuku Benito. Bless you.
Yeah, man. So Isaac Nyamwaru is here. Yeah, Mr. Zone, DJ Zone is here, guys. Yeah, and we are many here. As you can see, we are here in the mortuary. This is Edwin Kebakori, guys. What's your name? Okay, jitambulishe. You know, he have never seen a Kinyambis, guys. Now he's Rogora ring. He's Rogora ring, guys. We are here, all of us. Miss Mick is here, very sad, but don't worry, take it easy, okay? Yeah, she's my sister. All right. Opeo, usiende. Tulikuwa tumejaa wengine, tunataka utubebe. Nyori tuicho ya hapa mwe. Migori wenku ya uwe. Ta onganye sawa. Naga tunirento nye tafadhali. We are here, guys. We are mourning.
We are here, Evan Smita.
Yes.
But happy.
Sad but
I can't show on my face.
Okay. All right.
No, how it's working.
My best friend.
My best
Jemo.
Emoji Escobar.
All right. So guys, as you can see here, we are here, all of us. This is our pair. Yake moko matane. Nara. Tenda mpaka masaba. Oh, anaenda kuweka side mirror. Okay. All right, guys, as you can see, we are outside the mortuary. Yes.
It's very sad.
Yeah, very sad. Inauma sana. Yes.
Okay, go check me at Evan Smita, guys. Yeah, it's Jamaican boy.
Yeah, Africa.
The African guy. So go check me at Evan Smita, subscribe, share, comment, guys. React on my posts.
All right, guys. This is a Frank. Yes. Yeah, my neighbor.
Yes.
Yeah, it's called Frank Gechungi. Yeah, you know we are mourning but somehow happy. You know we.
Okay guys, you're going to see, show them. Akidiva was sent. Akidiva. Last respect. Akidiva mortuary.
Yeah.
Office.
Yeah.
Yes guys.
All right, guys. So is that like that, guys? Yeah, what's up, guys? Yeah, as you can see, we are just here around. Yeah, we have come from the mortuary. We are just around here. Yeah, just relaxing, and see what is happening around here. After here, we are going to Jemo home.
Funeral place.
Yeah, James funeral place.
We are going to mourn with the family together.
Here is
I'm Isaac Muita.
Isaac Muita.
At YouTube, you can get me at Isaac Muita.
Yes.
I'm a man of people.
How do you feel this morning? But you know we are mourning. We are mourning. You know me, I don't know the difference of morning and the morning. You know morning.
You know, we have the difference of morning.
Yeah.
Which is morning. MORNING. Yo, that's morning.
Morning.
Morning. Good morning. That's morning for good morning. But we are mourning.
Morning means crying.
We are crying. We lost our brother James.
Yeah.
You know, he's a man of people.
Yes.
He's a young people. He's the youth like us.
Yeah.
And where that man comes from, I mean the family of that boy.
Yeah.
They're not good at all.
They're not
in a good situation.
They see us like their brothers. We are the one who will assist them.
We are the one to stand with the boy.
Yeah, you know.
And assist the family to contribute some amount.
There is children here. What's up? What's your name? All right.
So, okay, we are...
Remove your finger there.
Okay, so we are requesting for our friends, if you are there, outside there.
Yeah.
We are mourning for our friend called James.
He
lost his life at the road accident.
Yeah, road accident.
He was riding the bike, but unfortunately got taken in.
Yeah, man.
So we are requesting if we could have a friend who can mourn with us.
Yeah, welcome.
Welcome and
assist us to mourn.
Yeah, assist us to mourn. And if you have something small,
yeah, you can just
help the family.
Of course, it can be okay.
It can be okay.
So that we can make our funeral to be succeed.
Yeah.
You know, they really know us. We are the elder brothers of them. Yeah, that's why we are here, guys. So you can see we are so many here in town. We are in the village in Migori. Yeah, man. So as you can see, yeah, Bobby is drinking juice.
Top shotter.
Yeah, top shotter.
Mungu siku zombo. Si ati nini? Zetu.
Wallahi. Waza. He's called Bobby. Yeah, Holland. Now we are here. You can see this mbuzi, guys. Guys, this mbuzi, you know. Look at it. Hey. Yeah, man. I have Pablo here. What's up? The race. Yeah, man. That's why we are here. Okay, you can see the rain is raining. That's why we are here just for kujikinga inaitwaje?
Shedding the rain.
Sheltering rain. We are sheltering rain.
You are here with HK Matata.
All right.
Graphics.
Guys, look. It's raining, guys. That's why we are here. just sheltering. You have said what?
Sheltering rain. We are
Shelter?
sheltering rain.
And you are smoking. You are ganja. You are ganja farm.
No,
you
we are
ganja.
pushing the smoke.
You are
We
smoking.
are pushing the smoke. We are not smoking.
So guys, yeah, we are here.
I'm repairing my bike.
Yeah, we are here, guys. We are here, guys. Look.
Bombo clat.
We are many. Many. Guys, look. The rain is here, that's why we are here. Yeah. We were to go home after the mortuary, but the rain have get us on the way while they going home. So we have to gather. All right? Yeah, that's why we are here, guys. That's why we are here, guys. That's why we are here. Yeah, you see the rain is on. The rain is on, guys. I can just say let rain to me, so that I can give you amazing vlog, guys. All right? Yeah, you see? Look. Yeah, even children are here. Oh my God, What's up? What's your name? What's your name? Oh, you are enjoying? You are enjoying to show on the camera. Hola. You know, these are the children of this. You know, I told you that I like the children, guys. That's why you see me with the children of this village here in Migori. Mambo. Uko poa? Right, guys. Now, yeah, I'm going to show you. Yeah, guys. So we have to do vlog. Yeah, I have to vlog. You know, it's some rain. Rain have found us here in God. So we have come to shed, so that the rain can't fall on us, guys, you know. Yeah, and we are going back home. You know, we are coming from the mortuary. Yeah, looking for our friend called Jemo. You know, he lived in my home around 5 years. He was a friend of my brother. So I look him like my young brother, for real. I look Jemo like my young brother. That's why I decided to be a chairman. Imagine, I'm a chairman of the funeral, guys, of the funeral. That's why I'm here. Yeah, because I want to do the funeral of our brother, the funeral of our friend, to become successful, guys. Unakinga maji? Eka tuone. Guys, there's water coming from this place. Look.
The water. Water is
Yeah, man. Nataka kuniua. We are in the town, guys. Hapa nitakufa. Guys, as you can see, we are in Migori town. Look. Yeah, this is a town, guys. Kana hetu huku ya? Ama kuna kitu unachukua hapa?
Chakula ndamo kile.
Oh, sasa tuku ya koraga.
Kurengiriganto.
Irigana.
Ndebe no sore bene.
Atake leo.
Kono murakweri ope oia. Guys, this is a Nissan.
Bus.
Yeah, bus. You know, we are in the stage. We are in the Migori stage. This is the stage of Migori town, guys. Look. Look how it look like. You see? Oh, you guys. Hey, Mourning. Look. Look how the stage of Migori town is. Yeah, we are here with my friend here. T9 and Opeo is around, guys. Yeah. Hey, Wolande, you can listen reggae from the other side. Reggae naimba kutoka hapo hivi nyuma, guys. So you know, yeah, we are in the stage of Migori town. This is Migori town stage. This is the stage of Migori town. Yeah, you know, village. Yeah, our village is here, so we have a stage. Yeah, we have a stage, guys, here.
Migori food.
Oh, Migori food iko wapi? Hapo ndo tunakula. Guys, look, we want to eat lunch. Guys. Lunch in Migori food. Look. Oh my God, let's enter in. Acha tuingie sasa. All right. Opeo. Hapa ndo tunakula.
Nyama ama nini?
Nyama. Sasa mimi naweza kula nini kama si nyama?
Iko samaki.
Nyama.
Lete nyama fanyika.
Samaki tutakufa.
Nyama.
Sasa tulete nyama. Nyama gani? Stew ama
Let us inaitwa wet sindo stew. Wet fry. Sawa. Yeah, huyo ndo ako hapa. Guys, huyo ndo mhudumu. Wewe ndo mhudumu?
nini tatu?
Alright. Bring 3 plates. We are here, guys. These are TV. In TV, guys. So we want to take lunch.
Late lunch.
Yeah. Huh?
Late lunch.
Late lunch. Yeah. All right. Let's take late lunch. Yeah, stew. Umesema stew. Umesema tunakula stew. How much is this?
This
Peo muratangora ranch tafadhali. Buy for me lunch. Please. I don't, you know, yeah, we have a mheshimiwa and who is not a mheshimiwa. So guys, hey, so guys, you see, look, this 50 Kenyan shillings. Only Kenyan shillings, guys. That's not dollar, guys. You know, someone if you have 50 here, it's like 2 bob there in USA. So let's take stew meals. Yeah, stew means wet fly, sindio? Yeah, wet fly. Iko ready lakini.
stew means ni ya supu.
Ya supu. Mimi sitaki supu. Nani yule? Wapi mwenye alitu nini? Mwambie hatutaki ya supu. Ni huyu. Hatutaki ya supu. Tunataka fly. Not stew that ya supu. Dry onge. Wet fry onge. Ndio wet fry iko. Hiyo nyingine ni stew. Stew wanauza ngapi? Okay, no problem. We can take, guys. Let's take stew. Let's take stew. Yeah, stew. Wacha tukule stew.
Mimi nileteni kule. Kuna mwenye anapiga kamera.
Yes, so I have to wash my hands too. Guys, after rain, we have decided to eat in the a small hotel, just a small hotel here in Migori, alright? Yeah, these are still, guys, still food. Natiwa unakula matumbo ama? Ni hiyo tu? Meat. But I can see wewe wamekupendelea bana, wamekuwekea nyama mingi kushinda mimi.
I don't like problem. Look. I want to eat first. Video wait.
All right, no problem. Someone here have said he don't want problem when eating. So we have to eat first. Then after eating, we are going to move on. All right. Let's welcome for lunch. Our lunch today is this one here. We are living. Unasema tushakula. Hii kukula ni haraka. Shamaliza. Now guys, we are still in the stage of Migori County. Migori County stage ni ya Migori County. Look. We are with the Opeo here, you know Opeo. He have his own principle. When he say no video. Look. Look. Tunaenda aje? Kwani tunaingia tena huko ndani? Guys, tunaingia Cool Plaza guys. Guys, this is a shortcut. Hii ni shortcut. This is a shortcut guys. Yeah, we are going. Tumetoka sasa nje guys. Nje hapa ni nje. Nani unaita? Atupeleke na pikipiki. We were eating lunch guys, so after lunch we have to move. Yeah, we have to go home. We have to go in the funeral site. Yeah, we have to go in the funeral home so that we can arrange here and there. Yeah, tuone vile mchango itaenda. So guys, yeah, we are in the funeral guys. We are mourning, so if you like that you can mourn together with me, you can just join me. We can just mourn together. I've lost my friend J-Mo. Yeah, he's my friend guys, so you can just join me. Here we are in the town, Migori town. You know, we have come from the mortuary, from the morgue. You call it morgue. Yeah, from the morgue. So we are here in the town. We came here so that we can take lunch. Yeah, we have already taken the lunch. Now we are going home. We are on the way going in the home of a funeral. Tunaenda kwa kina Jemo. Mama Saba, pepote. After here. So guys, after here we are going in the funeral there. Just morning.
After my mechanical problem has done, we just know.
Yeah, after vehicle. You know, we have, this is the driver. We come with his vehicle here and we got an accident. So he want to renovate.
Repair.
He want to renovate. Or renovate ni nyumba.
I left my vehicle at mechanical place, so I just want to go there, reach there, and see whether the mechanical is already done it or we can still wait.
All right.
You know, Hari has no blessings.
Yeah, Hari no blessings.
And wait
for
done.
Yes.
Just go back home.
Yeah.
And visit the family of our brother, our late brother James.
Yes.
We just mourn with them for like 2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours.
Then we left back home.
But you are going to stay there around 1.5 week.
Yeah.
Yes, and you can just tell them that we are the one wenye tunategemewa huko. Like sisi ndo brothers wa James. So they really look us like a brother of James.
The family of our brother late James, they are like they have nothing to do.
Yes.
They only depend on us. We
Yeah.
me, Opio, and Mandela here, Nelson.
Yes.
So we are the one who operating there, organizing with the friends,
Yeah, man.
talking to friends, and see whether we can get the best solution to help the family.
Yeah, so that we can see that the funeral can be finished very well, without no problem. Without no problem, guys. You can see here, we are in Migori town, guys. This life care. This gorofa is called the life care. Yeah, now guys, please, kindly stay tuned. Stay tuned, we are here. Yeah, we are here moving. I'm here with the Opio. Yeah, my friend. And the T9 is here too, guys. Yeah, man.